everyone, welcome to my channel Super KBNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to cover the 11th chapter of class 4th EVS, that is the Valley of Flowers. In this chapter we will learn about the types of flowers, the uses of flowers and the importance of flowers in different occasions. Here you can see one valley of flowers. Valley of flowers means the gardens of flowers situated in between hills or mountains. So let's begin the chapter. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. The place is called the Valley of Flowers. Means in the state of Uttaranchal, which is a hilly state of India, there is a place called Valley of Flowers. Means in our locality generally we found gardens of flower, but as in Uttaranchal there are thousands of hills, we can see also thousands of valley flowers. While in other the find white flowers peeping out between the stones. As it is stony area, means rocks and stones are there. In between rocks also the flowers peeping out. White flowers and in some places red flowers blooming in the form of bushes. There are white areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers. Even the brightest yellow flowers like marigold, thousands of acres are covered with brightest yellow flowers, and suddenly elsewhere blue flowers shining like teeny stars between the grass. Even in between grass you can see the teeny flowers in between grass. All this seems like a beautiful dream. Yes, because like a dream there are flowers bloom only for a few weeks in the year. So it is just like a dreams come true. It looks so beautiful. Now we will move to one more concept, that is Madhubani. And Madhubani, what is Madhubani? Madhubani is a design of picture. For example, it is a very old form of folk art. Do you know why it is called Madhubani? Here you can see the picture. This picture is called Madhubani. But why? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. During the festivals and happy occasions, the walls of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures. These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. You can see in the district of Bihar in Madhubani, this type of design is made in all the walls and courtyards, which is prepared out of rice powder and added the color with the help of flowers. The colors used in Madhubani painting are very special. To make them, indigo means the Neel color, turmeric is used for yellow color, and different flowers or trees are used for painting such beautiful designs. So it is a very famous painting in the district of Madhubani in Bihar. In this painting generally human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, fish and many other animals are painted. You can see here in this painting some birds are there, some fishes are there, like that. This is the famous painting of Madhubani of Bihar. So flowers have different use. Some flowers are even eaten. What are the different ways we use flowers in our daily life? Do you know that flowers can be eaten? Yes. In Uttar Pradesh, Firoza and Nilima enjoy eating a vegetable made of kachnar flowers. In Uttar Pradesh, kachnar flower is eaten. In Kerala, Yamini wants her mother to cook her a vegetable made of banana flowers. Even in Chhattisgarh, Odisha also we eat banana flowers. Mamta and Omar, who are from Maharashtra, love pakoda made of sahjan flower. In Maharashtra, pakoda is made out of sahjan flowers. So flowers are used mostly for eating purpose. And flowers in medicine. Sometimes flowers are used for some medicinal purpose also. And colors from flowers. Even sometimes the marigold, zinnia, all these flowers are used for making colors. It can also be used to dye clothes, to color the clothes of different colors. So now we'll move to one of the famous recipe, that is Granny's recipe. You may have heard some of Granny's old recipe which use flowers and where the rose water is used, which is called gulab jal. So how it is prepared? Mix equal part of rose water and glycerine. If you will take 50 ml of glycerine and 50 ml of water, rose water, fill it in a bottle, add a few drops of lemon juice. In winter, use this mixture on your skin. Your skins will not crack or dry. So this recipe can be used during winter seasons to keep your skin glow and not to let them dry or having crack on your skin. One more, you can see, have you experienced the smell of opening of small bottle of ether? Ether, generally the perfume bottles, the perfume are prepared out of flowers. The Kanauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for the truckloads of flowers bought from neighboring areas for this purpose. In the Kanauj district of Uttar Pradesh, it is famous for preparing perfume. Kevra water are prepared from flowers. Thousands of people in Kanauj are engaged in this work. So, rose water and kevra water are prepared out of these flowers. Let's know. Here you can see different type of flowers. In case you know the names of flowers, you can write and you can tick there also. I know the names of all the flowers. I am showing you. The first one is Gudal. Second one it is Rose. Third one it is Sunflower. Fourth one it is Marigold. Fifth one it is Champa. Sixth one it is Chameli. Seventh one it is Tulsi. Almost everywhere in our house. And seventh one it is Raat Ki Rani, Rajnigandha, what you called. And the ninth one it is Guldodi. So these are the names of these flowers. Now we will move to the next one. From the pictures given above, the flowers that you know give names of two which grows on trees. Some flowers grows on trees, some on bushes, some on creepers, and some are water plants. Some blooms only at night, and some blooms in day and close at night. So what are those flowers? You can see the Palas and Gulmohar, all the trees, all the flowers grows on trees. The rose and lavender, this grows in the bushes. The coral vine and jasmine, this grows on creepers. Lotus and water lily, this grows on water plants. These are water plants. Raat Ki Rani or moonflower, all these blooms only at the night, Rajnigandha like. And morning glory flowers and sunflowers, this is bloom in the day, but it's not fresh, remains in the night. Now move to the next one. Which flowers can you recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed? So we can recognize the flowers with the help of their scent. For example, rose and jasmine. I can recognize rose and jasmine flowers by their scent. Which flowers bloom all the year round? Sadabahar and rose plants flowers bloom all the year round, because some flowers blooms only in some occasions or some seasons, but Sadabahar and the rose plants, it blooms all the year throughout the year. Which flowers bloom only in certain months? Means some seasonal flower are there. For example, marigolds and tulip, all the flowers bloom only in certain months or certain seasons. Are there any trees or plants which never have any flowers? Yes, there are some trees which never have flowers. For example, money plant, you can see it doesn't have flowers. Next one, have you ever seen a board like this put up anywhere? Do not pluck flowers. Yes, even in our Vidyalaya also this board is displayed. Why it is there? I have seen this board in parks and gardens also, and even in our schools also this type of board is there. Do people pluck flowers even when this board is there? If there is this board, whether the people pluck flowers there? Yes, some people still pluck flowers even when such a board is there. Why do you think they do this? Why do the people do like this? They do this because they do not obey the rules and get fun in plucking the flowers. They feel fun plucking the flowers, but it is not a good habit. Why? Because in these flowers you can see the beauty of the nature. If you will pluck these flowers, you will not be able to see the beauty of the flowers. So should they do this? No. The people should not pluck flowers. What would happen if everybody plucked flowers? If everybody will plucking flowers, what will happen? If everybody will pluck flowers, there would be no flowers all around and the nature will look not so beautiful. So now we'll move to the flower sellers. What are the different flowers that they sell? Ask them the names of 3 flowers. Generally in Raipur you can see one near just Jaistam Chowk, one Phul Chowk is there where we can find different flower sellers. And what generally they sell? They sell generally rose, jasmine and dahlia. Where do they bring these flowers from? They bring these flowers from gardens and horticulture farms. Why do people buy flowers? Why do we buy flowers? People buy flowers for different purposes, like for decoration, to worship God or to gift others. So these are the reasons why people buy flowers. Now we will move to the one assignments for you. Draw the picture of a bird and its flower in the notebook. So here I have drawn one rose bird and rose flowers. You can draw any of the bird and its flowers in your notebook. So this is all about the value of flowers. Thank you for watching this video. You can visit my blog superkvns.blogspot.com, or at the same time you can write me at akm.kvs@gmail.com. Thank you for the time. Stay home, stay safe.